What's up, guys? Welcome back. Malik here, and today we're going to be going through my 5 trades on the Nasdaq 100 today. You will see that I didn't move the chart at all. I didn't move the zones at all. And then you can see that the market actually reacted within my zone and I was able to trade it off of that. So I'll be showing you my 6 trades on the Nasdaq 100 right now. So we have them here on the platform, and also I'm going to be starting to trade on this funded trade the pool account. So the max daily risk is $300. That's the max I can lose for the day, and the profit target is 1800. So let's see if I can hit that. The maximum drawdown is $900, so I can't lose more than $900 overall, or I will lose this account basically, right? So let's get into it. So I'm gonna put the account information like here, because you should be able to see the trades right here. Awesome. Okay, so I actually took this trade at 1, if you minus 3 from this 1 p.m. Okay, awesome. So 9:30 was about here. Yeah, I remember it because I was trading it during the day, so I remember how the candlesticks actually formed, right? So this 9:30 candle, let me see the 9:30 trade now. This was the first trade. It was actually a trade before 9:30. Let me see where I hit it. It was the 9:15 candle, huh? That's not right. This is Tuesday. What's this is mixing me up. Let's look for that 9. And today's Tuesday, huh? 9. I'm trying to find this one. So 6 9:25. So that's actually the 9:15 candle, huh? Let's see what happened. 9:15 candle. I see what happened. So if you look at this, I entered to the sell side, 14.55. So looking at the charts, I was saying, it's looking kind of bullish, like a bullish play there. But I entered here as the market looked like it was creating a top and taking it down into the zone, right? And then I sold it out at 9:32. So that was this candle now. So I sold it out at 9:32 at 14.50, 4.6 for a total profit of 102.40. So that was within, let's say, 7 minutes. I made $102, right? And that's just taking it from where I saw the market kind of rejecting, taking it down into the zone. And I had my stop loss like right above where the market started to reject. In case it had like a slight reversal, I would have been knocked out rather quickly and not taken a huge loss, right? So the market actually pushed down, came right down into the zone. And the market tends to do that because the market is about to open. So it kind of tries to throw off people on the opening candle. So you have that big move down and then you have a reversal. That's what the market does. It's just gonna do you nasty sometime if you're not prepared. So the next play was actually to the buy side, right? On the 9:30 candle, and let's see how that played out. So 9:30, I entered at 14,499, 14,499.7. So I entered to the buy side here. You see something like this, you can have your stop loss below here and kind of be more comfortable. But let's see where I got stopped out. So I entered to the buy side and I got stopped out at 14,491. I definitely remember when this came and hit out my stop loss. But I think I had the stop loss rather tight, so that's why I got came and well, so I got hit out. But something I'm noticing, like you see on those big red candles, those are actually the best times to look for buys. Why? Because you can have a reversal candle, like a buy reversal candle, and then you basically have a stop loss, a tighter stop loss, right? So if I'm looking for Buys, I'm looking for to enter on a red candle, and if I'm looking for sells, I'm actually looking for a green candle because I can have a much tighter stop loss there. And I'm looking for it to react from my zone. So I'm seeing it have some workings now, and we're just gonna continue to employ it consistently and see how it plays, right? So this that trade just now was for a loss of $8.10. The next trade now, same 9:30 candle. Okay, 9:30 candle. 14,500, 500, right? And then I think I got stopped. I got stopped out here. And that was at 11:25. Yeah, I remember this candle. I remember this candle clearly, because when it came back, it just wiped out my stop loss, and I was okay about it. But it came back into the zone. I had a stop loss right at my zone here. So when the market reversed and tapped out my zone here, I was out for a total profit of 34.90. So what went into my thought process going into this trade? I had the zone. You have this big reversal candle, and then I'm like, okay, let me hit it to the upside, and then actually set my stop loss down here below the zone in case it started to reverse and kind of prove me wrong. I would have been out, and it's a zero point 0.1, so taking a trade to down here would put me at a risk of like $21, and then I made $34.90. If you're looking at the charts, actually, I could have made about, let's see, $80 or maybe even 100. I was aiming for 100, but then you see what the market did. I was aiming for 100, honestly, but then you see exactly the market reversed, hit up my stop loss, and that's actually what I get for moving up my stop loss. I could have moved the trade up to break even, and I guess I'll try that to see how that plays. So maybe moving the trade to break even and then trying to get the winners, but I actually made sure that I got some profits there, right? The fourth trade now, or the fifth trade, is a sell side at 12.15, huh? Interesting. Is this 12.15? Not bad. I got it off a doji. So we had a push down and then a doji here. 12.15 at 78.8 to enter to the downside there. And then I closed it on the 12.50 candle. And that would have been on the 12.45 because it was definitely hitting into my zone, and I don't think I'm playing a lot of instruments when they come into the zone because I'm looking for it to bounce either up or bounce down, or if it really starts to push through, maybe. But otherwise, I'm not too keen on holding something within the zone, knowing that we're in an uptrend, and then the zone actually reacts as a demand zone where it seems like bigger players are coming into the market and buying up this level. Like, it almost without a doubt, you can see them coming in here, they can come in there, they can come in there, and they're buying up this level, they're buying up this zone. All right, interesting. So I'm seeing that when like sellers push into this zone, you can't really control where they're going to push the price down to. But one thing we know is that you have stronger buyers at this level, and then every time they kind of push into this zone, the buyers are just running the price up, right? The last trade now, I entered a final trade thinking, I was thinking I was good, but I actually set a nicer stop loss to ensure that I didn't take that much of a risk, right? So entered the trade at 1 o'clock at 14,536.4. And where was it? To the sell side. So I was looking for a reversal on this candle. This same candle took me out. Like, I remember it vividly, believe me. Like, these candles are like pain candles. So I know 100% how these candles played out because I was literally trading them today in the market, right? So I entered here to the downside. I got stopped out as price began to reverse and it just cleared me out there. So I ended today at a total of like, let's see, minus 18. I would just call it 150, but it's like 160, 170, right? So that was my total profit for today. You can see I'm actually building up the account. My win rate is 41.86. My average loss is 25. My average profit is 78. Largest PEPE loss 35. Largest PEPE win 107. Biggest loss 93. Best profit 270. Right, so I have 18 profitable trades, 25 lost trades. Looks like we're getting there. So with this account now, this is a account to get funded. I'm just gradually growing it, building it, because I'm not trying to take any heavy risk and lose the account, right? I'm just building the skill set, actually documenting it all, and then trying to achieve some accolades while documenting it. So I have three challenges to actually pass. So this will be my first challenge, and I'm about halfway here, and then I just need to gradually scale it up. Then I hit it. Then that would be the first challenge clear. Then we go to the second challenge, and then we have the third one. And then from there I can get a $100,000 funded real money account, and from there I'll be trading that here as well, same way. You'll get it raw, live, everything, right? Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be actually since we'll be trading, or I want to be trading on the trade the pool when it comes to tomorrow. I will be trying to draw out some proper zones here, and then to see how I can actually trade the ETF, right? So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found some value from it, and I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye bye.